Hey art buddies, welcome back to Brush and Beyond. Today, we're trying something super cute and wildly popular. Yes, the Labubu doll. But I'm giving it my own cozy twist, a Dada-inspired fluffy pink version that will steal your heart. I'll be using textured brushes, layered shading, and soft details. So stick around, it's going to be fun. Let's get started. I'm starting with a basic concept sketch using the Procreate pencil brush. This part is quick and loose, just enough to plan our little monster. What do you love the most about Labubu? The mischievous smile or those huge expressive eyes? I feel like the expressions are what give this character so much charm. And we're good to go. Once that's done, I'm turning opacity down on the sketch layer so we can draw over it cleanly. Now picking the monoline brush and a warm peachy tone and starting with the face, then the hands and feet. Now for that fluffy pink coat, I'm using a soft light pink for the body fur. A little adjustments here and there for that perfect shape. We'll build a fluffy texture later. This is just the base shape. Quick tip, add a slight Gaussian blur to soften the shape's edges. It gives a nice fuzzy finish even before texturing. Now comes the fun part, texture time. Turn on Alpha Lock on the body layer. Then switch to the cotton brush from the organic tab. Look how it adds that fuzzy look. Perfect for soft toy fur. switching to the clay brush and a slightly darker pink to add depth and shading across the form. To define folds and shape, I'm using the monoline brush again. After drawing, blur it slightly with Gaussian blur to blend those details into texture. And now lower the opacity. Soft brush again for final depth touches. Next, I'll add some detailing to the ears. Time to bring that face to life. For the eyes, I'm using a bright pink, just like the original Dada style Labubu. Adding a little heart inside the eyes using my custom heart stamp brush. Then a tiny white dot for that light reflection. I'll duplicate the eye layer. And adjust position and size for symmetry. Now for the nose, a soft triangle right in the center. And of course, that iconic Labubu smile with cute pointy teeth underneath. A few tweaks to align everything, and it's already looking so cute. Let's enhance those ears. Turn on the alpha lock, grab a darker color and use the soft brush around the edges. Now add some texture with cotton and clay brushes on top. Moving to the face, I'm using a darker tone around the face for the depth. Using the monoline brush for the folds around the hands and feet, these define the structure. And a little blur. Back to the face, adding subtle definition around the eyes using a muted tone. And some blur for the soft blending. Now for the nose shadow, I duplicate the nose layer, fill it with a darker shade and offset slightly underneath for a clean shadow effect. And don't forget to blur. Let's add a soft blush to the cheeks using the soft brush and blending it with a blur. Lastly, just a light grey shade on the teeth for dimension. And just like that, our cute, fluffy, Tara-inspired pink Labubu is complete. This one was such a joy to draw. From that adorable fluffy coat to the mischievous smile, every part brought a little more life to the screen. Hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I loved creating it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends and fellow art lovers.